Windows. The bird's worst enemy. Windows are undefeated against you guys, huh? You little buddies. You get... Oh, it's skirting. Oh my god. It's skirting. You little guys. You cannot see the difference when it comes to Windows and the real world. And the Windows, they kill you fast. They do the same for us humans. But the effect is just a little bit slower. The Windows, the mirrors, they kill us a little bit slower. Am I right? Look at this. Check. Second wild bird. I was gathering my blueberries for my breakfast in this morning. And you decided to fly to our sauna building over there. I just heard pew! And this little body was freaking out on the ground. I had to end his or her misery. And now we have to take your life force. Because if I don't do it, something else in the nature do it, like the seagull right now flying over me. The seagull knows where the food is at. It has eaten so many fish of mine. So this is the wild bird. This is the second one. It's a little bit bigger than the first one. If anybody knows which bird is it, let me know. But this is how you... The shadows are kind of killing me. Killing my eyes. So this is how you do it. You just start ripping away the feathers. And it's actually very easy to do. Give the feathers to the seagulls and the fishes. There's so many fish right now over here. I saw pike just over there a couple hours ago. Small fellow. I saw a bunch of perches over here. Go check out my first wild bird eating video. It was also from this cabin. It was a tiny fellow. Now we got a little bit more meat. Look at that. Beautiful red meat. These wild birds, they don't got that shitty ass raw chicken. They got that red meat. Wow. This is some local, fresh. Look at those. Look at those. Freaking food. It has big ass spikes. I gave the first wild fish, I think I gave it 10 out of 10 or something, 9 out of 10. It was really nice. It was really nice, just like the day is today. Today is the best day of the year so far in terms of weather. It's nice 30 degrees Celsius. No wind, 0 clouds, except there is some clouds coming first time today, and it's 7 p.m. So no clouds, absolutely 0 chemtrails. We got some wild bird. I eat a bunch of wild blueberries, some of those strawberries. Sorry if it's taking a while. This guy has some meat. You can even eat maybe the wings a little bit. Put the wings on the barbie. Just need to get all this freaking feather sheet away. Gonna be feathery. So yeah, we've been outside all day. I've literally been inside maybe. Here's the freaking stomach sack, the intestines of the birds. I'll give those to the fishy fish. A little bit more intestines. It smells like nothing. Maybe I take a couple feathers for a memory of this. Just a little bit more of the intestines. This guy has a lot of intestines. I love the seagull. He's just chilling over there, waiting for his turn. So the cleaning up process is kinda easy for these guys, if I'm being honest. It's pretty easy. Except now all my fingers are in feathers. Wait a second. Did you see my ass? My bare ass? Don't look at my ass. That's how the ladies feel. All the time. Don't look at my ass. But we have to check the genetics. Okay, we're getting there, guys. So, should we go for the breast meat first? It looks delicious. Looks like amazing breast meat. Absolutely zero smell. Everybody who says, "Oh, raw meat is so disgusting." It's not. Your mind is disgusting. And the system that has made you believe raw meat is disgusting, that's what really is disgusting. These pedophiles and freaking people that has been absolutely corrupted by money and all this freaking nonsense. Look at that. See it? I'm gonna have to show it from further away because it's bought in. Oh yeah. Oh, that is some good meal. The seagull is coming. You get some, seagull. Chill. It's really good. And there's quite a bit of eating here. Wow. You can even eat the bones of these little birds. Oh, there's duck family coming up. This time of the year is so beautiful here because you can see all kinds of wildlife. The weather is amazing. You can go swim. I've been swimming 4 times today. There's a duck family with 2 little ducklings. Last time I saw there were 3. Oh no, did the pike get one? Did somebody get one of your ducklings? I gotta say, this taste this taste very similar to the other wild bird But this one's a little bit bigger, so you get more eating out of this. And the bones are kinda nice and crunchy. Like, I'm not kidding, it's actually really good. Let's taste the leg. Oh, the leg meat is good. It's really good. Like these wild birds, they're kind of similar to the chickens. Oh, the ducklings are coming real close. I will show you the ducklings. Look at him. There they are. Don't worry, I'm not gonna eat you. Here's my ghetto setup, so my freaking camera doesn't overheat like it did yesterday. Here's the bird. Here's some raw chicken. Gotta say, raw chicken's kinda lame after that. Like that bird has way more flavor than raw chicken. Oh, there's some fishy fish over here. And everybody's saying it's disgusting to eat wild animals. Get real, bro. You need some base knowledge. Severely. You've been manipulated. You've been programmed by some evil ass motherfuckers that make you believe that eating wild animals is bad thing. It's disgusting. It's the best quality food there is. The bird did it to himself or herself. But either way, if I would even hunt this, that wouldn't be bad. Because this is the best kind of nutrition human beings can have. We are the most predatory animal on this earth. And you can see it by just how much we kill each other. And some of the human beings, they are a little bit more predatory than other human beings, huh? Maybe we need to start to be a little bit more predatory as well. So yeah, I just kept the bird in the fridge the whole day. I mean, it could be a little bit disgusting if I would let it rot over there. I think the cockroaches and flies would have gotten him. But yeah, it's actually really delicious meat. Super tender, flavorful. Like, not crazy flavorful, obviously, it's raw meat. But I mean, it doesn't need anything. You can just eat. And the meat is definitely way better than the raw chicken. I'll tell you that much. Way better. Way better flavor. Maybe we don't eat the... Should we taste the liver? Here's liver. The liver is bitter. So fuck the liver. Some of these wild animals don't really have good tasting livers. But I have never gotten any ill effects. Like all the fishes, they have kinda... They got very bitter very bitter livers. All the wild birds I've eaten have gotten a very bitter livers. And you can say that they are toxic because of it, but I don't think so. The meat tastes really good. Should we go for the brain also? It is a bit messy, I'll say that much. Taking these feathers out. Should we go for the eyeballs? Oh, the eyeball is good. Wild bird eyeballs, huh? There goes the ducklings. Come on, guys, you can have some wild bird as well. Very good eyeballs. And because it's so small, the bird, the bones are very fragile. You can just bite through them. So it makes it easy to eat. Man, this is how our ancestors ate. And some people still eat. Go check out the Hudson tribe. They catch these small. The ducklings are eating. No, it's the pike eating the duckling. No. I have a fish trap now. It's in the water. I hope I can catch some pike. Because there's plenty of pikes. Let's go for the brain, huh? The brain. The brain is very fatty. Oh, even with my ghetto setup, we still overheat. It's hard. Like I was saying, the brain is very fatty. The brain and the eyeballs, amazing. There's the bird. Thank you for your life. So if you want to catch these, just put mirrors everywhere in the forest. And I bet you can catch a couple ones. There's so many dead birds over here. But you have to get them pretty quick with this kind of weather. Otherwise, the other creatures of the nature will get them before you. Wow. That's 10 out of 10 experience. Very good. I would say the brains and the eyeballs, the best parts. And you have to eat those if you want to survive. Like if it would be real survival. If it would be real deal Holyfield survival situation, you would need to eat everything. You need to eat the eyeballs and the brains to get enough fat. And even that might not be enough. Anywhere the camera is overheating, my heart is overheating, and my life force is amazing right now. Thank you for watching. This has been Best Science, one of the best broadcasts thus far. God damn, it's beautiful over here. God damn. Get outside. with your bare ass naked and balls hanging low and get some of those wild birds. See ya.